Be aware. Do not dwell in the past, for the future holds greater promise. The secret of life lies in learning the art of detachment. Rise above mere existence, strive for self-realization and inner growth. The beauty of the soul shines when it is clothed in the light of knowledge. Faith is the sustenance of the soul, let it guide your journey. Awaken the phoenix within you and soar to new spiritual heights. The strength of character is forged through struggle and adversity. Break free from the chains of self and embrace the path of selflessness. The heart's yearning is the compass that leads to eternal truths. The mirror of the heart reflects the divine when it's polished with love. Conquer the self to conquer the world, this is the essence of power. Through unity of thought and action, nations achieve greatness. Seek knowledge as a means to uplift humanity and eradicate ignorance. A life without purpose is like a bird without wings, find your calling. In the garden of the heart, plant the seeds of kindness and compassion. Destiny is not written in the stars, but in the choices we make. Let your dreams be the architects of your reality. The universe is a canvas, paint it with the colors of your thoughts. Let gratitude be the music of your heart's symphony. Embrace the journey of life with courage and grace, for it is a divine gift. These lines reflect the philosophical and spiritual depth of Allama Iqbal's poetry. If you're interested in exploring a specific theme or aspect, feel free to let me know. With determination, carve your destiny in the world's stone. The ego is a veil between humans and God's light. Rise above sectional interests and private ambitions. The flame of truth is what truly illuminates the heart. In the path of love, patience is a key to success. The universe is a bridge, not a home, pass over it, but build no house upon it. A man's worth depends upon the nobility of his aspirations. Let your selfhood be lost in the love of the beloved. Keep your heart alive with a constant longing. The best way to predict the future is to create it.